My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2014 BMW i3. This vehicle has done just under 37,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. To the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and our start-stop button. On the screen, we can get quick access to media, radio, smartphone integration, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking sensor. We have 3 different driving modes to choose from: Comfort, Eco Pro, and Eco Pro Plus. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.